Can you hold one moment?
Sure. Open it and let me see. Open the door. All the way. Let me see. Open all the way so I can see. Are they brown?
Yes. There it is.
It's a good thing we didn't wait.
Okay, Dad, you okay? Was that hot?
Oh, I'm cold. Just a minute, boss.
Should I turn it off?
Yeah. Yeah, that's fine.
Mommy, it's recording.
So it did come back as a skin cancer,
Okay.
and it was a basal cell carcinoma. Are you familiar at all with that type?
Well, no, I mean, ish. My dad had that same cancer. And when I came in and he was testing, he said that it didn't spread, and that just didn't sit right with me. And when I talked to several other people, they said that it does spread. And it would be shocking if there was a cancer that didn't spread.
Well, here's the thing. So basal cell carcinoma is very slow growing. So let's say if you were to keep it on your lips for years, it could spread. But more than likely, it wouldn't. But we don't keep it on your skin. We're going to get rid of it. Okay?
Right.
We're gonna have to remove it. So
I wonder if a better way to explain it to patients is that it is a slow growing, instead of like, this doesn't spread.
It's the most common skin cancer you can get. It's caused from the sun. Okay. Some people are just prone to them more than others, so the likelihood of you getting another one, it goes up now. So we need to make sure we keep our skin checks going. We're going to do a surgery called Mohs surgery. Have you ever heard of Mohs micrographic surgery?
No.
So what that is, it's MOHS, if you wanted to look it up. And what that is, it's a skin sparing surgery, okay? The reason why we want to do this, and this is the best cure rate that you can get. This is the deal right here, this type of surgery. Because when you come in, we will mark that spot, the surgeon will, and then we'll get you numbed up. It's a local anesthetic, so you're not put under any anesthesia or anything like that. And then we'll take that first layer, okay? Now, we'll put a temporary bandage on, and while you wait, we process the tissue here in our lab. We put it on slides, and then Dr. Heaton, our surgeon, will read those slides and determine whether we got it all. If we didn't, then we know exactly where it's positive, so we only take what we need to take, okay?
Okay.
Because of where it's at. So we use these on the nose, face, ears, places like that where we need to spare the skin because you don't have a lot of skin right there. So we want to minimize that scar too. When you leave, so it can take more than one stage. So, it can take, we've had people, go up to like 6, 7 stages. I don't think that's what's going to happen. But just be prepared to be here for quite a while in case it goes for multiple stages, okay?
Like if he has to go in multiple times to take it off?
Right. So it's after we take that first piece, and, you'll be waiting in the room. We have TVs and stuff like that. So when he takes that first piece and they process the tissue, which takes about 30 minutes because they slice the tissue with this machine. They have to freeze it, put it on the slides, do all that. And then if it's positive, then we'll know exactly where. So if it's like upper left.
I see.
12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, we'll know exactly where we need to take more from. So he'll take more from there, and then you'll wait again, and we process that piece that we took until it's clear. So when you leave that day, you'll know it's completely removed.
Okay.
You don't have to wait for results or anything like that. You'll know it's completely removed, and you'll have stitches. Okay?
Okay.
So you'll have stitches for probably a week, like 7 to 10 days, and then we can remove them. There's always a scar because you're having surgery, so just be prepared for that. But you can talk about what's going to happen all with the surgeon when you come before we do anything, if you'd like. He's been doing this a long time. If it was my face, that's who I'd want to do it.
Okay, that was my question, is I kind of wondered if it would just be like, oh, like just, that's nice to hear.
Like a regular surgeon.
Yeah.
So no, he's a Mohs surgeon. It's different than just a regular surgeon. So he knows how to do closures with plastic surgery. He's been trained in plastic surgery. I know where it's at, and you're young, so we don't want to, we want to minimize the scar as much as we can. Talk about everything, and that's okay. We can do that. We can take that time out the day that you come to do that.
Okay.
And if you have other questions before you come in, then you can call me anytime. Okay.
Thank you very much. That's really nice.
Yeah, because I know right now it's a lot. I don't want you to worry that it's spread throughout your body, because it hasn't.
I don't think that it has.
Very rare.
No, I don't think that it has.
Very rare. Yeah. How's your dog?
Oh, she's good.
Huh?
Oh, she's good.
Good.
I'm making some dinner right now.
I'll make it again.
I have my food all done.
What did you have?
Rice.
Ooh, rice is good.
Pineapple.
Pineapple?
Yeah.
That sounds delicious.
I know.
Mommy, can I do one?
And you know what? I'm making my dinner right here on the cabinet. I wonder if people will think that's crazy. We don't care. We don't care, do we?
No. Okay.
All right. How do you feel today? How do you feel today?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You're okay?
Yeah.
Good. Tell me those hash browns do not look so good. When I went to the grocery store, all the hash browns had like preservatives in them, which obviously, so I made my own hash browns. The kids wanted an over easy egg, or whatever egg that is on top.
What was it?
I don't know, I can't remember. And I think I feel weird, like not really knowing how to like close this vlog, because I feel kind of weird. I don't know how I feel. Like I feel like crap, obviously, but like I know it's also fine, but I just am like, it's just crappy, I'm fine, it's just a little crappy. Anyway, yeah, here's Joel's plate. Does that look like a very good meal? I always make scrambled eggs, and I didn't know if Joel would want scrambled, but he likes the fried eggs on top, so that's what we're doing. While I dish up his last egg, this recipe, I was like, I think that's in the cookbook, and it totally was. So it's in the Griffith's cookbook. It's not difficult to make, obviously, like anyone can throw it together, but I like shredding the potatoes fresh, and then I added a whole bunch of peppers. I added a whole bunch of peppers. Just to give like more nutrients to it. Why can't I talk? Do you guys hear? You can tell that I'm like flustered. Anyway, I also used my pans, and yes, these ones are meant to go in the RV, but I've got them here, so I'm using them up. My mom and dad swear by cast iron. If you're gonna do this, a cast iron is probably best, but I know it's disappointing, and I should have used a cast iron, but I love this. Which I'll put a link in the description for you. Okay, we're gonna eat. Dinner is ready. And don't ask me, the kids set them. They're like over there, and then there's all this room over here for us. It's fine.